Hey there, this is Derek with QRA. Today I'll be showing you QVscribe for Doors Next Generation. QVscribe has direct integrations with multiple web-based requirements management tools and can interface with virtually any tool or database through QVscribe for Word and QVscribe for Excel. I'm looking at this set of lunar rover requirements within Doors Next Generation. I will be able to see the results of the QVscribe analysis without leaving the Doors Next Generation workflow. The results can also be exported as a shareable PDF report. QVscribe will be scoring this document based on the software's default configuration. You can think of the default configuration as a starting point for your requirement improvements. It automatically checks for more than 350 common violations based on accepted best practices. Following these guidelines accelerates development, reduces rework, and mitigates project risk. Let's jump into one example so you can see how easy it is to improve your requirements. You'll see I've brought this requirement up in a new QVscribe window. It says the EVA tool storage, the Lunar Exploration Light Rover, should provide a location for storing EVA tools. You'll see in this column here, it's the alert column. Underneath is two quality score issues. Let's take a look. The quality score issue here is an imperative warning. It says restate the requirement with a clear imperative indicating what needs to be done. Underneath, you'll see another one that says optional escape clauses. This is indicating the should error that we saw here. It says replace optional escape clauses with a verifiable statement and mark as required or optional as intended. So I have to check with my team quickly to make sure this is not an optional feature. After confirming this is not an optional feature, I'm going to replace this with an actual imperative. Let's go with shall. Using an actual imperative there erased the imperative warning and the optional escape clause. And I've actually improved this requirement up to a 5 out of 5. I've now submitted that update into the document, and I'm good to go on my way. I also have the ability to filter these results before I open them up in the set of requirements for analysis. When I go into the icon of QVscribe that's located in the browser, I can go into the user settings, select artifact analysis, and remove the features from this requirement set. Now when I go back to my display here, it's going to remove those features automatically, and I can take a look at these requirements solely from the artifact type of requirement. In just a few seconds, QVscribe has given us an objective evaluation of this entire set of requirements. Sort and filter lets you tackle the issues efficiently and focus on the highest priority issues first. And I can jump into any requirement to see the detailed breakdown of the quality score. Let's take a look at this one. Modularity. The Lunar Exploration Light Rover should be of a modular design, such as to facilitate corrective and preventative maintenance and future upgrade. So when reviewing this document, I can clearly see that should is still having a problem here, similar to our last one, and such as is being taken issue with as well. Your situation is unique. That's why we've made it easy for your team to refine these rules to fit your preferences. Your custom configurations are automatically shared across all users and all versions of QVscribe. This allows you to get consistent results from every team at every stage, even when your requirements are scattered across different tools. QVscribe's consistency checks further reduce the miscommunications by making it easy to see the terms and systems of units used throughout the set of requirements. The similarity analysis shows you the requirements that are most likely to be redundant, contradictory, or missing important information. I hope you've enjoyed this quick tour of QVscribe. Click the link to schedule a free consultation with our team to see where we can help.